Hi, today with Cooking with Transition, we're going to make easy blueberry muffins. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. On my oven, you press bake and then 4, 0, 0. Start. On some ovens, you'll turn a knob to 400. We're just going to set it aside until we need it. Today we're using the Jiffy Blueberry Muffin Mix, or a gluten-free muffin mix for our gluten-free friends. We need to open the box and pour it into a bowl. Next we need 1 egg. We're going to crack the egg very carefully and put it in the bowl. We need to open the milk and pour 1/4 cup. We have our 1/4 cup measuring cup. Pour it very carefully. All right, we're going to pour our milk into our bowl. We need to stir until it's all mixed together. The box said the mix will be a little bit lumpy. Okay, the next thing we want to do is put the mix in our cupcake holders. You very carefully get some scoop and put it in the cupcake tins. All right. Wipe off any batter that might have got on the pan so that it doesn't burn when you're cooking. Our oven temperature says 400. We can put the muffins in. Be very careful. The oven is hot. Close the door and set a timer. Our recipe says 13 to 14 minutes. Now we need to wait. Listen, our timer's going off. That means our muffins are done. We need to use a pot holder because the pan is going to be hot when we take it out of the oven. Those look good. They're very hot. Be careful. Have somebody help you. Don't those look yummy? We need to let them cool before we eat them. Enjoy. Turn your oven off when you're done cooking.